Hi, this is O'Connor. I got you tomorrow morning and welcome to Strategic Management Accounting. I'm going to cover week 6, which is chapter 12 of Holmgren, the balanced scorecard. So as a pre-lecture, I just want to help you to get ready for tomorrow morning's class. And just a reminder, we're only covering learning objectives 1 to 3, and that's set out in a PowerPoint slide. That is strategy, re-engineering, and the balanced scorecard. But in preparation for tomorrow, can you just do me a favor and watch the following video? It only goes for 10 minutes. And this is the first video that I've asked you to look at. And that video is titled Why. And I just want you to think about what strategy is all about. And the big answer to that is strategy is all about why customers buy your product or buy your service. So please look at this video, and we'll see you tomorrow morning in the class, in the Zoom session, and really look forward to seeing you. Bye for now.